because every band that we have here, somebody hollers out freaking Freebird.
Freebird, there you go.
I would love to hear y'all play Rocky Top.
Rocky Top.
I mean,
we come a lot closer to Freebird.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me?
it's funny. Well, it's funny because I don't care if it's a country band or a rock band. Somebody holler out Freebird.
We do Rocky Top.
If I stay here with you, things just could be the same.
You gotta take that band.
I wish that I was on old Rocky Top down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoke or smoke on Rocky Top, ain't no telephone bill. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top, half bear, the other half cat. Whiles at a big cat sweet ass soda pop, I still think about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Once two strangers climbed old Rocky Top, looking for a moonshine still. Strangers ain't come down from Rocky Top, reckon they never will. Rocky Top, you and hills on Rocky Top, dirt's too rocky by far. That's why all the folks on Rocky Top get their corn from a jar. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Somebody. Last verse. One verse. I've had years I've wrapped up city life, trapped like a duck in a pen. All I know is it's a pity life can't be simple again. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee.